Good morning children, I am K.S. sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Besant school. In previous class we have discussed the topic fractions. Today also we have to continue the same topic, fractions only. So topic fractions. Children, observe here, you have to open your textbook, exercise 2.3, exercise 2.3. See, write the second Roman we have completed. Next to second Roman, some problems we have already discussed. Now problem number G. 5/2 divided by 15/4. This is G. H. 3/11 divided by 1/22. I 4/7 divided by 20/49. These three problems now I will discuss. Okay. First of all, this one 5/2. Instead of divided by, I am writing multiplication into. Then the 15/4 reciprocal only we have to write. So what is the reciprocal of 15/4? 4/15. That is equal to 5/2. See, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. So 1 2 ja, 2, 1 3 ja, 3. So 2/3 is the solution. Next, this one 3/11. Instead of divided by, I am writing into product. Then 1/22, what we have to write? So 1/20 reciprocal we have to write. So 1/22 reciprocal is 22/1. Okay. See, clear children? A reciprocal of 15/4 is equal to 4/15. This one you have to observe. Here a reciprocal of 1/22 is equal to 22/1 or 22. Observe here. So that is equal to 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja. So 3 2 ja, 6. 6/1, that is equal to 6. Clear? Next, observe here. Here reciprocal of 20/49 is equal to 49/20. This one you have to remember. Now solution 4/7 into. So divided, instead of divided by, I am writing into. That's why reciprocal of 20/49, 49/20 we have to write. 49/20. 7 1 ja, 7 7 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja. So that is equal to 1 7 ja, 7, 1 5 ja, 5. So 7/5 is the final solution. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Okay, note down children. Next to now third Roman, simplify the following. Simplify the following. Okay, the first one A, 2/9 divided by 3/5 divided by 6/5 of 3/5 into 2/15. Okay, 2/15. Now children, observe this question. Then this part, what is the bracket? That one we have to solve first. What is the bracket? That one we have to solve first. So this one 2/9, instead of divided by I am writing into, so 3/5, what is the reciprocal? 5/3. So we have to write 5/3. Clear? Divided by 6/5. Okay, of this one 3/5 into 2/15. Solve this one. 3 1s, 3 5s. Okay, that is equal to 2 into 2/9, 2 5s 10. 2/9 into 5/3. So that is equal to 2 5s 10, 9 3s 27. Okay, so 2 5s 10, 9 3s 27, divided by 6/5. Half means into 1 2s 2, 5 5s 25. Now that is equal to 10/27 into, divided by into. So instead of divided by, this one write into, then 6/5 reciprocal is equal to what? 5/6. Again into 2/25. Okay, so see, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, that is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 27 3 ja 81, 81 1 ja 81. Clear, children? So first of all, once again I am explaining. 2 by 9, instead of divided by I am writing into. So 3 by 5, what is the reciprocal? 3 by 5 reciprocal, 5 by 3 we have to write. Why 5 by 3? So we changed divided by symbol as a multiplication. Then we have to convert what is the right side fraction. That one reciprocal only we have to write. So 3 by 5, 5 by 3. Same divided by 6 by 5. Of this one, 3 1s are 3 5s are 1 2s are 2, 5 5s are 25. Of means into. So here 2 5s are 10, 9 3s are 27 divided by 6 by 5. Of means into, that is equal to 2 by 25. The same 10 by 27, this division we are changed as a multiplication. So reciprocal we have to write 5 by 6, 6 by 5 reciprocal 5 by 6. Next to 2 by 21. So 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. Okay, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 2 1s are 2, 27 3s are 81. So this is the A solution. I hope it's very clear, children. Note down this one. Next problem. Note down the next problem. B. 13 by 4 minus 3 by 4 divided by 17 by 9 minus 1 by 2. So first we will solve this one. Observe here denominator is same, 4 4. So take LCM 4. Okay. So this is 13 minus 3 by 4. Why? Because both are having the denominator 4 divided by, see what is the LCM 9 into 18? LCM of 9 and 2 is equal to 18. So LCM is 18. Now 18 is LCM, 9 2s are 18, 2 17s are 34. See, observe here, 17 by 9 into LCM 18. 9 2s are 18, 17 2s are 34 minus, here 1 by 2 into LCM 18, 2 9s are 18, 1 9s are 9. Okay. Next, that is equal to 13 minus 3, 10 by 4 divided by 34 minus 9, 25 by 18. Okay. Next, 10 by 4. Instead of division, I am writing multiplication symbol. Then what we have to write? The reciprocal of 25 by 18. Okay, 18 by 25 we have to write. 18 by 25. So 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Next 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So 2 cancel, that is equal to 9 by 5. This is a 9 by 5 is the solution. I hope it's very clear, children. Note down this one. Next problem, write. Next, C you do it. D I will explain. 1n 4 by 13 into 7n 4 by 5 divided by 11n 1 by 3. Okay. So solution. So first of all we will simplify this one. 1n 4 by 13, that is equal to 13 1 ja 13, 13 plus 4 17 by 13, 13 1 is 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 by 13 of this one. This is 7n 4 by 5 is equal to 5 7 ja 35, 35 plus 4 39 by 5. Next 11n 1 by 3, 11n 1 by 3 is equal to 3 11 ja 33, 33 plus 1 34 by 3. So first I simplified all this. Next, so that is equal to, so instead of this one we can write 17 by 30 into, instead of this one we can write 39 by 5 divided by, instead of this one 11 and 1 by 3, 34 by 3, 34 by 3. Now observe here, 17 by 13 into 39 by 5. This division, instead of division I am writing multiplication. Then 34 by 3 reciprocal, 3 by 34 we have to write, 3 by 34. Now observe, 13 1 ja 13, 13 3 ja 39. Okay. Next, 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34. Okay. Next, now numerators 1 2 3 3, 1 3 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Denominators 1 5 are 5, 5 2 are 10. So what is the final solution? We got 9 by 10 is the final solution. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Note down children. This is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Only one exercise left, that also in next class I will finish this. Okay children, note down. So what is today's homework? exercise 2.3. Okay, Roman number 2 and Roman number 3. All these problems you have to do practice. Children, watch the videos very concentrately. Okay, if you watch the videos very concentrately, then automatically you can understand everything. It's very important thing. And you have to write the classwork. We are sending the PDF file also. If you have any doubt, you can see the PDF file also. Okay children, but better to follow the videos. Without watching videos, you cannot understand the subject. Okay, once you understand the concept, then automatically in own way you can solve. Okay children, thank you for listening.